Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kanko Disa, and today I'm going to be talking about earthquakes. Earthquakes is a disruptive natural disaster that often occur when tectonic plates slide into each other. Earthquakes happen in a different time each day, so that means you don't know when an earthquake will happen. There are 20,000 earthquakes per year. Mostly it is small, but only a little bit amount is strong and can damage buildings. For example, the Noto earthquake 2024, as you can see in this picture. The earthquake shook at the 1st of January 2024. It caused 339 deaths and 1,300 casualties. The country of Japan is the most earthquake-prone country, means that the country with the most earthquakes in the past centuries. Now we're going into a different slide named tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are large slabs of rock that is under the Earth's crust, as you can see here. There are 7 major tectonic plates, named the African plate, the Antarctic plate, the Eurasian plate, the Indo-Australian plate, the North American plate, the Pacific plate, and the South American plate. And there are 3 kinds of tectonic plates: major, minor, and micro. A major plate is made up of oceanic and continental crust. For example, the African plate. A minor tectonic plate are plates that are less than 20 million square kilometers in area but are larger than 1 million square kilometers. For example, the Nazca plate. Microplates are small, mostly rigid areas of the lithosphere, located at major plate boundaries but rotating as smaller or less independent plates. For example, the Caribbean plate. That's done. And the next, Japan is a beautiful, traditional, and cultural country. But Japan is a country with the most earthquakes in the past years. And Japan is the country that is prone to earthquakes. For example, the Noto earthquake 2024. It is the deadliest earthquake after the 2011 Japan earthquake. The country of Japan has around 1,500 earthquakes per year and 2 to 3 earthquakes per day. Japan is between 2 tectonic plates. They are the Eurasian plate and the North American tectonic plate. But mostly the earthquakes that happen in Japan is caused by the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire, known as the Pacific Ring of Fire, is a tectonic belt of volcanoes and earthquakes surrounding the Pacific Ocean. Nearly 1 billion people live in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Next. Earthquakes causing tsunamis. These are the tsunamis that the earthquake causes. When an earthquake happens in the coast of any country, a tsunami will be triggered. A tsunami is a giant wave by movements in Earth's outer layer or crust, which then move underwater. Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes and volcanoes. For example, the 2011 Tohoku earthquake. This earthquake occurred in the northeast coast of Honshu on the Japanese Trench. It caused a 130 feet mega tsunami. It destroyed more than 123,000 houses, 2,526 people missing, and 15,899 deaths. This earthquake was measured to be 9.0 magnitude and one of the strongest and deadliest Japanese earthquakes in all of Japanese history. Even volcanic eruptions can cause tsunamis. For example, the Krakatau volcanic eruption. It occurred on August 26, 1883, and caused a massive tsunami in the country of Indonesia. It killed 66,000 people. The sound circled the earth 4 times. It is one of the loudest volcanic eruptions in the history of Earth. Next, don't break. This is the last topic of the slide, volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions are the explosion of gases, rock fragments, and molten lava from within the Earth through a vent onto the Earth's surface or into the atmosphere. Some volcanic eruptions can be super loud and some can be a little weak. For example, 1815 Tambora eruption. This eruption caused nearly 36 cubic miles of ash, rock, and gases swept away, caused at least 71,000 people to die. Different kinds of volcanic eruptions are weak and strong. A volcano can erupt, but scientists now have a way to measure volcanic eruptions so that they can alert the areas near the volcanic eruptions. That's the end. Thank you for watching.